we talked about this map of the United States, right?
Yeah.
We came up with a word, a no-nonsense word that's called what?
Here.
But we made we made up a word. When you make up a word sometime using letters, it's called mnemonics, right? So the word that we made up is what? Kim, how do you spell it? C-E-M-P, right? These letters stood for something, right?
Yes.
These letters represented parts of this map, which are called what? Starting with the S.
Time zone.
Maybe regions.
Time zone.
Is it regions or time zones?
Time zone.
My bad. Okay. I made a mistake. That's okay though. These represent all the time zones. You were right, not the regions, right?
Yes.
So we know that C stands for
Central Time Zone.
Central Time Zone. E stands for
Eastern
M
time zone.
stands for
Mountain.
and P stands for Pacific. So we knew that this part of the map represents what time zone?
Pacific.
Pacific, right? That's Pacific, right?
Yeah.
Let me move over here. We know that this time zone represents what time zone? I can't hear you.
Eastern.
Eastern time zone. We know that all of this right here is what?
The Pacific.
The central. Say it again.
Central.
The central time zone. That's Pacific over there, right?
Yeah.
So the only other time zone left is this right here, which is what?
Mountain Time Zone.
Mountain time zone. Actually, these are the states, but we're gonna fill in the capitals because I think that's what y'all remember most of all is the capitals. So we know that this is what time zone again? Eastern. This is the
Central.
This is the and then all on the far side is Pacific. So we change the map. Adrian. To the states. Okay, I need a blank one actually. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Let me go here. This space, okay. Oh, here we go. Not quite. Okay, here we go. Now we have a blank map of the United States, right?
Yes.
And again, we know this region to be the Eastern, Central, Mountain, and Pacific. So I should be able to call on you and tell you what region to go to, right? And you should be able to do that, right? I don't care about the spelling. What's the short form of writing called? Starts with the A. Say it. When you just write 2 letters instead of the whole name. Abbreviation. So all I want you to do is the abbreviation. So Ricky, you want to start first? Ricky, can you go to what time zone you want to go to? Tell me what time zone you're going to.
I'm going to the Pacific.
Going to Pacific. Okay.
How many do you want us to do?
Just you can write 2. What is that?
Washington.
Washington, and what else did you want to do? Who wants to go next? Go ahead. You got to tell me what time zone you're going to.
Eastern.
You're going to Eastern? Okay, good job. Huh? Going to go next? No weapon? Okay. Good job. Okay, let me ask you a question since you did this one, Tyshawn. What is this piece of land called that extends into the water? Say it again? A peninsula. Florida's the only state that has a peninsula like that. Okay. Tyshawn, what time zone? Tyshawn's going to Pacific time zone. Oregon and where's Tennessee? Tennessee. Tell me what time zone Tennessee belongs to. take another guess? Parts of Tennessee does belong to the Eastern time zone, but we're talking about Central right now, okay? All right, Malachi, what time zone are you going to?
Mountain.
Mountain. Mountain time zone. What is that? What is that?
New Mexico.
New Mexico. Good job. Okay. Okay. I just wanted to see if you remember what times are at least some of the states that belong on here. I'm actually going to give you a blank map, and we're going to fill in the rest of the map, and just to see what you remember straight from memory. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.